Hello everyone, this is the facelift part 2. I got the inserts painted. Not a professional quality job, but it's definitely improved. I'm loving that white. Just got the grill cleaned up right there. And there's the mount I had to do. I still need to tighten that up. It's still a little bit loose. But there's the mount I made to mimic that, and I think I got it in the about the right position on the holes. But there it is. Let's get them in the grill. Well, I got everything back together, and let's get a look at it. That looks awesome. Just looks so much better than it was before. Now I really can't wait to get that bumper painted white. I don't think I have enough spray paint to do it right now, so I'm gonna hold up on doing that. But that right there is beautiful. Got this corner not crunched anymore, and I haven't tried them yet. But I could, with the inside of that Marcolite painted, that not Marcolite. I keep saying Marcolite. That is a parking light. Inside of that parking light painted, that is going to look a little bit brighter. Let's get the hood open. Get a look at it. I did make some brackets to go right here to use that mounting hole, but this grill is very rigid on here and doesn't move at all, so I don't think I'm going to worry about those. And the one metal bracket I made for this insert for that broken ear was too tall, and it was not fitting right, and I didn't want to stress the plastic, so I just took it off. And as you can see, it's in there tight. It's not moving. But there it is. It's in and looks so much better. I am very happy with that. My next plan, what I'm going to be doing this next week, I'm actually on vacation. Not going to be going anywhere. Just going to be staying home, pretty much doing nothing except for working on this thing. I will be starting to diagnose the transmission to try to nail down where the issue is, where I'm having shifting problems. But yes, there it is. The grill is complete and just looks so much better. I am very happy with that. It's not a professional super clean paint job. It's got surface is rough because the plastic is rough, but it's looking very good. I am very happy with it. I'm just happy to not have a crunched grill anymore. There it is. There's the finale of the facelift for my 1970 Dodge pickup. And I'll see y'all later.